up on the highway. And people them a tear down the place. Cha God. Yeah man, and Paul there, you know. Paul himself there. And we outside. And a life to, you know, it's come like a man can't get it from things like that, you know.
Oh, no, like, you're alive and you're existent, brother.
Yeah.
You can't get it from it.
You always have somebody where no care what I go on. Yeah, violate you or betray you or something. You know, no care what. You could do the most goodness in the world, it don't matter. You know? But as me I say, we as people who want to do good, we can't make that stop we are, man. Because as you say, sometimes you can't know who. You understand what I say? And they go do it for somebody and the person betray you. But we can't make that stop. We have to just do it and do it with a good heart, you know? Yeah. And everything we are alright. So, right now, me and Paul there again. Touch on the road, and right now we are going to IBO Spice. Oh, this is a VK1 bag of nice. We are going to IBO Spice and everything nice. Right now, I don't want to know watch how I'm looking because it's a ragamuffin day today, you know. Ragamuffin style I deal with. And every day a pretty boy thing. You see me asking me upon a pretty boy style today. Yeah, that is it. So catch up on the journey. You heard me? Yeah. So me and Paul back at IBO. So we are across on the place. So this time we switch it up, don't it?
We're not going to last again.
Yeah, we're not last today. But this time we switch it up. Him get the Iga and me get the food this time, you know? So we are going on the journey I know. Hopefully me not last week. So I take on
me a drive here.
Alright, see there. So you can't get the blame today. Can't get the blame. Alright, that is it. So you say Paul, how it a go on? What the burger?
Bad man, belly full and come and belly full. Just to taste of it.
Cha God.
Me have to eat it like me hungry.
Alright, look there. We see it. Look there on the camera. Lord of mercy. Bad. Alright, breadfruit. You can get the next one. What? Pilatia. Ishaka meal. Yeah. Why? Slap man. Real thing. Real deal.
I'm not hungry, you know.
See
it
there?
Look like me hungry to blow away taste.
Tastes good.
I tell you, brother.
Real thing, man.
But I'm greedy.
Lord of
greedy,
mercy.
It tastes
Yeah,
good.
it tastes good, man. All the food slap way. Can't wait to start digging on my own. Lord of mercy. Cha.
None waste.
No, not at all. Yeah, we're back in a town again because we forget to go buy the nuts them. So that we are going to do right and now circle the nuts place. If anybody know the nuts place downtown, yeah man, right there we're heading to right now. So check you out and reach there.
Make sure
Make
sure in the bag because I don't know what I want to do.
Yeah, can't make it waste. Chaja. Yeah man, and the dressing man, the sauce or whatever them call it. Nice. Sweet. Sweetest Ital burger. Alright mommy, go through. Take your time. They are drive through downtown, you know. Make a circle. We not circle. Any blockage them put up, we are go over every hurdle. Yeah. How sound, Paul?
Sound like cameraman.
Alright, that is it. So Paul, I can't get for go, you know. Paul, I have to go deal with it. I have to go find somewhere for park. I never could have stopped out there.
Yeah?
But I never could have stopped in front there. I come in a car. I drive go around still, I come there so. I drive go, just call me. Yeah?
Yeah.
Eh?
They said,
Cone there.
oh,
Yeah. See place a Paul, they say there. I don't they say there. First, may I come down them side there. Yeah. I wish part this lead me to know. I not even know where me I go. So, now I have a clue where I'm going. What is? Yo, me up and pass here, so. Oh, I see which part me there now. They're right back on the waterfront. Right back on the waterfront. Me there. Yeah man, see it here you know. Hit this you know. Yeah. Well blend down and nice you know. And see the view here. That is it. We outside and we active. Mash down this here now. And then circle and go pick up back Paul car. Out of the parking spot which part we call it the peanut place or nuts place. Cause them sell all type of nuts. All type of nuts. Like every nut say you can think of and other things too. Yeah, but the parking spot full up. Full up, no space never there. So I have to leave him and come down here so come go and easy. So I say, meanwhile I'm there you might as well go and eat some of the food there. You see it? So that is it. Look more. Yeah. Paul said me disturb him with him burger star.
no, I go this year. It's not burger, it's I go after I full joy my thing. You just come stop my thing. Hey, watch it man, watch it man.
Jaja.
Jaja, no, you don't spoil man. Yo, yeah, man, continue.
Jaja God. Disturb the man and him peace with him Iga. Lord have mercy. Hey, me tell you say Paul. I don't know how the food nice so, but me just did eat some a while ago. I say, them never have to make the food nice. So I wonder if I prove them I try prove a pint or something. Why it have to nice so?
I don't start no night.
I don't start no night, eh?
My uncle cook food. I don't start no night and I tell you, I'm a Rasta.
Yeah, nice.
Bad!
Cheese,
It's sweet!
Yeah man, ital food tough man. It's when you know how to cook ital and cook vegetable. Oh gosh man, it's sweetest thing that no meat no nice so.
And my uncle not cut bread. He believe not broke bread.
Oh, in broke bread?
Yes, yeah.
Jaja.
Broke bread.
Yeah. Original way. Yeah.
And the man got shot by a coffee pan.
Okay. Oh yeah, that Uncle Dickie?
Yeah.
Yeah man, General that man. General. That statue there with that lady there, who that?
Right. What do you to see?
I know what's your name again. Miss Louise or so. What's your name? Miss Louise Bennett. I know she.